Hello, very good evening to everybody. Welcome to Civil Service Gurukul. Today we will be discussing the very basic and the most important foundation of financial management, that is objectives and goals of financial management. First, moving on to the objectives of financial management. The main objective of financial management is maximizing value. Involves setting objectives in these areas: liquidity, profitability, efficiency, growth, and return on capital. Liquidity, as we all know, that it is the most fundamental and basic requirement of any business. Without liquidity, no business can survive. Even we have seen in real life examples, many startups and big businesses have failed during the COVID due to lack of liquidity only. So it is the very basic and the very core fundamental of financial management. Liquidity is basically deciding what amount of liquid resources will be needed at any particular time and deciding what form the liquid resources should take, in cash or bank or in bonds or whatever, securities, anything. Then moving on to profitability, the most fundamental backbone of any business. Without it, no business can ever survive. Profitability means setting an objective for a level of profitability high enough to attract new capital to the business and to reassure creditors and employees among their other stakeholders. Then efficiency, a normal point, which means that business should be carried on efficiency with efficient techniques and strategies and technology for achieving competitive advantage or edge in the industry. Growth, which is very important for any business to move on. And return on capital, when a business makes a decision to invest in capital, it makes cash outlay now in order to gain future economic benefits. Goals, basically profit maximization, and goals, shareholder wealth maximization. These two are most fundamental for goals of financial management. Shareholder wealth maximization means focused on NPV, net present value. Okay, wait. So in the next part we will take a very nice example of merger and acquisition to explain what is shareholder wealth maximization. Hope you will like the video and hope you like this video as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. For more details you can visit our website civilservicegurukul.com. If you want to join the guidance program or test series launched by our website. Our basic motive and objective is to let all the CS, IAS aspirants clear their exams and come out with flying colors. Hoping for your brighter future. All the very best. God bless all you all. Thank you. Bye. Take care.